Well, we know several neighbors in that apartment complex tell us they didn't hear smoke alarms go off at all. So tonight, we're asking if North Carolina law requires everyone to have a smoke alarm to go off, specifically in the event of a fire at an apartment complex. WCNC Charlotte's Megan Bragg verifies.
This morning on WCNC Plus, we asked reporter Richard Devane if neighbors heard their smoke detectors go off.
Excuse me, did your smoke detector go off? Did your smoke detector go off? We're going to find out from her. She said no. And the other neighbors I spoke to said they were asleep. They were not waking up by smoke detectors. They were actually awakened by the fire crews.
So to find out if this is required, we went to North Carolina Residential Building Code and the National Fire Alarm and Signal Code. According to NC Residential Building Code, apartments built or remodeled after 1999 require smoke alarms within a single unit be interconnected. This means if your smoke alarm goes off in your kitchen, it should trigger the alarm in your bedroom. However, there are no legal requirements for your smoke detector to go off when your neighbor's alarm sounds. According to the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code, a manual fire alarm system that notifies occupants throughout the building should be installed if the unit is 3 stories above the ground or if the building has more than 16 units. The exception to that second part is if it's a 1 to 2 story apartment building with direct exits and fire-rated walls or sprinklers. With your Verify, I'm Megan Bragg.